Hey there, I'm Yussi Weisz, and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking, and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Crusted Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, c'est Shabbos. Welcome everybody to another episode on Kosher on Cob. My name is Yussi Weisz. Today, I'll be preparing a Branzino with a celery root puree. I have a beautiful Branzino fillet. I have a celery root. Yeah, it's that big whatever thing that you see in the supermarket. You don't always know what to do with this. I peeled it and I diced it up. I have a pot of boiling water. Just gonna add that to the pot of water. You cover it, hour and a half to 2 hours, low flame. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is prepare the fish. The celery root puree is something you can prepare before Yom Tov. The fish is something you want to prepare on Yom Tov. First, I'm going to start with a little light olive oil. And if you didn't guess, Toscanini. So I like to use a Za'atar spice. This is a dish I make in my restaurant, Agripas, or some call it Agripas Street. If you ask me, probably the best dish on the menu. Simple, clean, easy, and light. I have a beautiful filet of Branzino. I made 3 little incisions in here because I'm gonna fry this skin down. I want a crispy skin. First thing I'm gonna do is sprinkle it with some Za'atar on both sides, and salt and pepper. A little massager. A little black pepper. A little bit of Toscanini sea salt. Yum. What I want to do is get this fish fried. It's around 3 minutes on each side. I want the skin to be crispy. The celery root puree on the side with a little bit of tahina and a little chimichurri. Looks hot? Let's go. Beauty. Now what you want to do is take a fish spatula, like you want to squeeze down. If you want that skin to get nice and crispy. This will take around 3 minutes. I'll be right back. I'll flip it. I'll show you exactly what it's going to look like. For sure, if you want to make this a little bit next level, take a little bit of butter. Smells good already. Yum. The butter will give the fish an extra creaminess. It'll be nice and flaky with the beautiful, crispy, delicious skin. Watch this. Probably another 2 to 3 minutes. This fish is done. Beauty, here I go. My fish looks ready. The butter smells yummy. Uh-oh. I broke it. If you break it at home, it's not a problem. If you break it on camera, it's a problem. Beauty. I'm going to show you what the celery root puree will look like after I pureed it. It cooked for 2 hours. I put the zhizha, the hand blender. Yeah. You zhizh it, and that's it. It's simple. And I'll show you how to plate it. Let's clean up. So here we are, all cleaned up and ready to prepare that perfect milchig Branzino celery root puree dish. Healthy, clean, easy, fresh, crispy, and Baron Herzog Grigio delicious. Let's plate. So the celery root I showed you before, that cooked for around 2 hours. Take a spoon. Kacha. This is something you can prepare before Yom Tov. Just warm it up in your oven, have it ready. The fish, a little spices on it. You pan fried it around 2-3 minutes on each side. That's all you need. Take a slice. Just like that. Beautiful. Right on top. To take it to the next level, Here we go. Chopped parsley. Let's take 2 cubes of garlic. A little bit of olive oil. Actually, more than a little bit. A little bit of salt. I like the sea salt. Mix it up. Chimichurri ready. You saw how long that took? About, what was it, like 11 seconds? 15 seconds? Parsley, olive oil, garlic, and salt. Very, very important. But again, it's nothing but a squeeze bottle. Get the mighty tahina. I got the organic one. You know why? My schwieger likes organic. Weisz from us. That's a naderskyten. Whatever. Oh, organic, not naderskyten. It's not naderskyten. Okay. Organic tahina. Squeeze. Beauty. You know what's funny? That it looks fancy, but it's so simple. A little bit of this. It's exactly how I serve it in my restaurant. Little pine nuts. A little bit of lemon. And a little bit of lime. So I get my kvetch. Beauty. And this lemon. For that extra touch that the Heimische people don't know about yet. I can tell you is next level. Capers. This is Toscanini capers. All the way from Italy. Put it around a little bit everywhere. Bisschen sea salt. All I have to do is add some olive oil. This dish, restaurant style, actually better than restaurant style. You can't get this in a restaurant. Actually, you could. You can get this in my restaurant on Agripas Street, but no butter. Until next time, my name is Yussi Weisz. Thank you for watching my show. Crispy Branzino with celery root puree. Enjoy. Looking forward to serve you in my new restaurant in Lakewood, Agripas.